Hello, welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Deidran. Chronix and Bob Marley made the playlist for the Biden-Harris inauguration. In revealing the list, the Biden inaugural committee tweeted, "Are you planning your inauguration 2021 at home watch party? Well, let us take one thing off your plate. D-Nice and the radio came up with the perfect playlist for you to dance the night away as they ring in their new leaders. The coveted list features two to rep for Jamaica. Bob Marley made his way with the classic Could You Be Loved, and Chronix's collaboration with Three Nationals' Eternal Life landed him on the list.
Thank the Lord, my cup is full and running over. All who never like we, I got love we know. When baby girl just text me, says she coming home. When she reach you, want me fit turn off the phone. Turn the lights down low, turn up the stereo. Altanellis, Gregory, Isaac, Dennis Brown. Have you ever been in love? Now bad vibes can't stop this good vibration, yeah.
The two Jamaicans are a part of the Biden-Harris 46-song inaugural playlist. The list also features A-listers Beyonce, Kendrick Lamar, Mary J. Blige, Dua Lipa, Jill Scott, Stevie Wonder, Marvin Gaye, SZA, and one of Africa's top dancehall artists, Burna Boy. The Biden-Harris inauguration is set for tomorrow. Now, still on Jamaican artists making big moves, multi-platinum Grammy winner Shaggy today teased an upcoming project with Cheetos. Shaggy posted the teaser on his official Instagram page with the caption, "Just stick to the line I gave you, Mila."
What exactly are you insinuating? You think that I would do that to you to go behind your back after everything that we've been through? I can't even look at you. Too much?
Just stick to the line I gave you.
Yeah. Okay.
As you heard, the advert also features Shaggy's 2000 multi-platinum mega hit, It Wasn't Me. Now, the commercial, according to People.com, will also see Mila Kunis and husband Ashton Kutcher reuniting since they first worked together on That 70s Show. Although Kutcher and Kunis didn't appear together on the release for the teasers, People.com revealed that the couple will reunite when the full commercial airs during Super Bowl 55. Now that was you, Shaggy. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.